Hey, this is Colin with Texans Can Cars for Kids, here to give you another tutorial video on our brand new website. We're really excited to roll this out this week. It has a lot of new features. It's going to be a lot more user-friendly. And since we're doing online-only auctions, we want to make the experience as enjoyable as possible. So we want to thank all of our buyers and everyone that's been participating in our online-only auctions. It's been a great success, and we couldn't do it without you. So that being said, all the rules still are the same. You still have to put down your deposit. It's a $200 deposit. We accept Visa, MasterCard, or Discover. And whenever you create your account or log into your account, it'll still prompt you to put down that deposit in order to place any bids. So be aware of that. And then if you do win a bid, it goes towards your purchase of a vehicle. And then if you do not win a bid, it'll be refunded to you after the auction. And it might take your bank about 3 to 5 business days for it to fall back on your card. So I want to go over some of the new features for the site, give you, some tips. If you have any questions about the site, feel free to, leave them in the comments or give us a call anytime at 972-274-5437. But like I said, we're really excited about this new site and hope everyone enjoys it. So let's jump right in. There's two options for you to view the auction. You can click this auction tab at the top of the banner, or you can scroll down a little bit and you see the auction right here. And then you'll click this plus and click get started. So once you do that, you'll be redirected to the auction page where you'll see the auction program, online only, 9 a.m. every Saturday. Has our phone number there, auctioneer license numbers, shows that we're open to the public. And then it has new registration and auction login in the top right-hand corner. So that's relatively easy to get to as well. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll see all the rules about auction program. Live bidding is currently suspended due to COVID-19, online bidding and proxy bidding. And then if you want to look at the vehicles, you'll click vehicles for sale. It'll scroll you down and you'll be able to look at the pictures and details for all the vehicles going in the sale. For instance, this Saturday is July 11th, and we'll have 204 vehicles going in the sale this week. So, and then if you want to look at the auction rules and fees, you click this tab right here. You scroll down and you look at the auction rules, the in-country rules for IDs, export of out-of-country IDs accepted, and our terms and conditions. There's also 2 new tabs at the top right of this vehicle auction rules. You'll have your fees tab, which it'll explain the auction invoice includes purchase price, buyer's premium, which says see below, which is on the sliding scale right here. So this is your buyer's premium. A processing fee of $31 for dealers and $82 for individuals. State sales tax of 6.25% of the sales price. Vehicle inventory tax, which is relatively small. Title application fee of $33, an e-tag fee of $5, and then a transfer or storage fee if you do want to transfer or if you have to pay storage on that vehicle. One new feature, which is really awesome, is the price calculator. So if you click that, you scroll down and say you want to place a bid for a car at $1,500. And you want to know what your out-the-door price will be, what after all the fees are added up, what your price will be. Well, here it is right here. Your total due is right here. It does a breakdown of all the additional fees, and you can do this for any amount. So if you want to do $3,000, there's your total price for $3,000. If you want to do $10,000, there's your price for $10,000. So really cool feature that we added there as well. But like I said, I want to give you all a little sneak peek on how to register and what to expect whenever you go to online bidding. So let's act like we're going to do a new registration. This is going to be your first time bidding with us. So you'll fill out the form here with your first name, your last name, and email. I'll use our distribution email. So if you have any questions, here it is for you. And then our phone number there, and then you'll create a username. So for me, I'm going to do Colin Test 10, and then you'll create a password, confirm the password, and you'll scroll down. This alerts tab will be for our email alerts. So if you want to be alerted whenever our final list is posted, you can alert me when the list is updated, or you can don't alert me at all. So that's completely up to you. And then before registering, you have to check this box saying that you have read and agree with our terms and condition and auction rules. And then there's also a link to go back to that page, which I already showed you. So once you click that, you click register. And then you're back to the vehicles for sale. So you see the vehicles as well. And then it also says, want to participate in the live auction, click here and pay your $200 full refundable deposit. So you'll click there. And then this is your deposit confirmation. So it'll ask for your billing information. So you'll just fill this out real quickly. So I'm putting in our address here as well. And choose state, zip code, and then your email and your phone number. All right. And then secure payment. And then you'll be redirected to this screen where you'll type in your credit card number, your card expiration date, and then the last 3 numbers on your back, your CVV code for your online auction deposit. And then once you log in, you'll be redirected to this page. So what you can do from here is you can look at the vehicles that are going in that week's sale. You can click here to participate in the live auction, or you can click this new white bubble right here that says live auction, and it also has a hammer as well. So that way you can go into the live auction platform. Now, if you go back to our main auction page, the same 2 things there, the live auction white bubble with the hammer, and then the blue live auction bidding with the link as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click the white one. And once I click that, I'm redirected to the brand new bidding platform. So as you can see, our address is in the top left-hand corner. It says, welcome to Texans Can Cars for Kids online public auction. In the top right-hand corner, it'll tell you, welcome your name. So your name will be printed here, and then your bidder number will be right below that. If you ever want to look at the auction rules and fees, all you have to do is click this bubble right here. And then we also have a nice little banner message for you right here as well that shows you, when you can come in and pay and what forms of payment we do accept. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be selling lot number 4, which is right here, a 1988 Chevrolet Astrovan, which is right here. And then we also list the VIN number for you and the odometer if we know it. And then right here on the right-hand side will be where we'll list the condition report. So if it's a runner, if it's a non-runner, what our mechanics found wrong with every vehicle. So this is the video of the auction bay. Right now it's a test image, but this will be where the auction bay image will be streaming from. And then this is the log. So right now we're on lot number 4. We're starting at bid number. Starting bid is at 200, and we're going by increments of $100. So you can see the purple bubble is bidding in progress. And if I want to go ahead and bid, I'm going to click the bid button, and it shows that I am the highest bidder at 200, and that the auctioneer is asking for $300. So if you want to look up close and personal on the pictures, all you have to do is click one, and then you can click next, and kind of cycle through all the pictures that we have available for you. If you want to jump ahead and look at some of the other vehicles that are going up for sale, all you have to do is click one of these images. And if you do scroll down, you see at the top banner that the lot number that you're on, the current bid, which is actually me right now, and the current asking price is always going to be at the top. So that's an awesome feature. We also have a tab that says won. So right now, this test buyer has won 3 vehicles and is about to win number 4. So you can see how much you won them for and which vehicles they were. So very cool feature right here. Let me also show you what it looks like once the vehicle is sold to that buyer. So once the buyer wins the bid, it says sold, and it says, congratulations, you have won. So if you are the highest bidder, it will be clear and apparent that you won the vehicle. If not, it'll say that you didn't win and it sold to a particular buyer number. And then we'll move on to the next item. So whenever you log in and you're not able to bid, it'll either say call our number in order to bid, which is also a nice little feature as well. But as always, with every new thing that we're rolling out, make sure you give us a call anytime at 972-274-5437 if you have any questions or need any help or guidance with our new website. But we're really excited to roll this out, and we hope everyone enjoys it.